Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take apart a speaker from one of the home mini stereos. Basically, this part comes off. By the way, this is AIWA model SX-NS22. And this grill, be careful not to rip it on the first time because it is glued on, but it comes off. There's the dome tweeter that I rewired. I didn't tell you I rewired it, but I did. This just turns around in here, and this is the hard part. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm putting my flathead screwdriver in there and trying to turn around the speaker, because that's how you take it out, is by twisting it around, and that's what that's there for. And that just comes out. Now, you see on here there's a plug and another plug, and these wires were held on by the plugs, and the woofer is pretty much plastic, cheap, minus and plus terminals are red and white. See, the only screw in the speaker is holding that on. It's the model 87 NSJ60201 by AIWA is what the woofer is. It's just really cheap. Bad. And the only other thing that's in there is more wires, plastic, wood, stuff, glue, and the disc thing for a tweeter, which is really not good. And what we've got to do to get this back on is these wires, just make them really thin like this, fit them around here, on here, and twist this around, and these plug back in over the wires and hold them on. Sometimes it's really hard to get back on. That's good enough. So pretty much those wires, just stick them in there. This goes on a little bit off center, and again you have to twist it on again. Oh, it's a little bit off. This would be easier if I had it like this. Sometimes this wire gets stuck right there and holds that up. And there we go, that's way easier. Just twist that on there. Now this grill, pretty much just fit those sides on there. On this specific speaker, I don't like to put that side on, because if you do, this part doesn't pull it taut, but if you don't, it'll just be a really good fit, and it'll just look better and feel better. Just fit that on with pressure. and this is going on pretty well. That's pretty much what's inside of this. A woofer that looks bigger than it actually is, and space for a 3-way speakers when there's actually just this little one tiny thing. So it's really not a very good speaker, but it came out of one of the Keep Home mini systems, so you wouldn't really expect a lot. In fact, but this does sound good, other than being a little bit muffled. So it's so some people say these things sound too good. So it's actually a pretty good speaker for what's inside, for the stuff inside of it. So pretty much that's what's inside one of these speakers. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.